इस दफ़ा हम जो घरों में जाएंगे वो वर्किंग लेडीज़ के हैं, हमें उनको प्रमोट करना है, हमें उनके बारे में आपको बताना है कि वर्किंग लेडीज़ किस तरह से अपने बिज़नेस को, अपने काम को मैनेज करते हुए वो कुकिंग भी, अपना घर भी चला रही हैं और कुकिंग भी साथ कर रही हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह ताला आज हम आए हैं BRR में, दैट्स द ऑफिस ऑफ लेडीज़ फंड एंड ग्लोबल दाऊद ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन की, दाऊद फैमिली की बहुत ही मशहूर टैलेंटेड तारा उज़रा दाऊद के पास, जो कि हमारे को अपने ऑफिस में उन्होंने इनवाइट किया है। वो अपना ऑफिस हमें दिखाएंगी, अपने बारे में, अपने लेडीज़ फंड के बारे में कुछ बातें बताएंगी और फिर हमें लेके जाएंगी यहाँ से अपने घर, जहाँ वो मेरे लिए कुकिंग करेंगी और कुकिंग के बाद हम फिर उनके साथ बैठ के खाना खाएंगे। तो आपने कहीं नहीं जाना है, देखते रहिए जायके घर घर के सीज़न 3।
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for
Tara.
coming. Thank you so much for coming to my
Thank
office.
you.
It's such
You're
an honor.
welcome. It's an honor to doing cooking with you. You're going to cook for me.
I need to learn from you. You're the queen of it all. Would you like to sit?
No,
down?
that's your place. Thank you.
So here's our offices. As you saw when we entered, it was the Barak Center, Pakistan's first all-female incubation center for women. And the upcoming is going to do with the State Bank and Bank of Allah and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, a clean tech, and for home chefs and for techpreneurs, we're training them how to be sustainable.
Really?
Not just scaling up marketing sales, but also sustainable. So for home chefs, we're teaching them how to not waste paper, packaging, water wastage, all these amazing things. We must invite you to come and be one of the trainers.
Inshallah, sure.
And then with the techpreneurs, we're training them how to be green tech or clean tech. And that's going to be taking place in the Barak Center. And then we have here 786 Investments, which is Halal Munafa, which means Sharia compliant Halal Munafa, Sharia compliant asset management company.
What does that stand for?
It means we manage money in a halal or Sharia compliant way for individuals and corporates.
Great job.
And in Dawood Global Foundation, we manage people's Zakat. We have Sadaqah and Zakat funds, and we manage anyone, corporate or individual Zakat. And as you saw also when you entered, we had our wheelchairs. So on Wednesday, Tuesday, we gave 540 wheelchairs to 27 hospitals in interior Sindh. And Hamara Kaam is to distribute, inshallah, 10,000 wheelchairs across Pakistan. And you have been one of our Ladies Fund Women of Inspiration at the British and at the awards, if you remember.
Yes, I remember I had come to the British.
Yes. You've been one of our Ladies Fund honorees.
Yes,
for your amazing work in Pakistan.
But Tara, can you just tell me, I just want to ask you, how did you get this idea to open a ladies fund? How did it come to your mind?
So Alhamdulillah, our asset management company was #1 in its performance, and we wanted to have inclusivity of women investment, and it wasn't there. And then what happened was we were Alhamdulillah making so much and doing so well. For CSR, we started the awards.
I'm highly honored to be here at your office, although you have invited me so many times.
I'm the one, and we're the office that is totally honored to have you. And I'm very embarrassed you're coming to learn something from me, because I need to continually learn from you.
That's really sweet of you. And inshallah, I'm really happy that today you will be taking me to your house and you will be cooking for me. Wow.
And you know what's so nice is that we used to be next door neighbors. For so many years, we were next door neighbors in our colony.
Yes, long time
and then
ago.
5 years ago, I
Yes,
moved
Tara
to
was a
Clifton.
neighbor in Kachi Memon Dawood colony.
Yes.
And we were there for quite some time. We were
5 houses apart.
Yes,
so what
yes,
and now
exactly.
you'll come to my new home.
Yes,
So
I've never been to your new home,
I'm
although
very
you called
honored.
me, invited me so many times, but somehow, whenever you invite me, either I'm out of town, I'm not
the
well.
reason is that you're always on TV cooking. And every time I invite you, you're engage being a star with
Yeah.
your commitments. You're just too much in
Inshallah,
demand.
next time.
Inshallah. And it's
But
such
I'm
an
really
honor.
happy and proud that you are doing so much for the ladies.
Thank you.
Inshallah.
Thank
Incredible.
Shireen Auntie, would you like a tour?
Sure, why not?
So this is my office, of
Yeah.
course, and here are the amazing team. This is 786 Investments.